Hi everyone! Today I show you how to make money on binary options. I've traded on binary options for 2 years, during which I gained more than $75,000. A year ago I quit my job and bought the house of my dreams. I was trying to make everything clear by myself. I had no one to help. I know how difficult it is to comprehend everything by yourself. So I decided to help you to quickly understand the basics of trading on binary options. At the end of the video I will tell you a special rule. The deadly secret of trading on binary option, which will help you to earn over $800 per day, every single day. However, don't raise your hopes too high, because you will not win all the time. Some of your stakes will not be successful and you will lose in them. In this case, martingale system, according to which I am trading, will help you. With the help of this system, I have been making money on binary option for many months. Remember the rule: go with the trend. If you see that there is a certain long trend, bet on its direction and not against it, as the majority of traders does. The likelihood of continuing of trend is always higher than its abrupt change. I believe that trade can be taught only by those who are really show their successful trade on the real money. Not by those students who are trading on a demo account and tell you about Golden Mountain. Now I share with you my favorite binary option strategy. For several years I have been working with a binary option using this strategy, and it worked perfect. This binary option strategy called a martingale system. The main principle of this strategy is the fact if you lose your bet, the next bet should be 2.5 times bigger than the previous one. For example, if I set and lost $100, that my next bet must be 2.5 times bigger than the previous one, $250. That's all. This binary option strategy reduces the risk of loss to a minimum. Main idea of this strategy is very simple. Only one bet will cover all our previous losses and even get some profit. Once again, if you won, you should make the amount of the initial stake again. In my case, it's $100. But you can start with any stake. For example, if you don't have $2,000 on your deposit account like I do, but you have $200, you may start with $20, $30 or $50 proportionally the amount on your account. But you need to have the supply of cash on your balance, which must be at least 13 times more than your first bet. Remember, the more money you have on your balance, the less are potential risks. Listen, just set the goal for the day for yourself, the point after which you will stop the trading. For example, once you have achieved the earning of $200 per day, then stop and withdraw your earned money. Only 13% of traders get to earn a lot of money on binary option. But you must admit, this is not small chances. Why not take advantage of it? Perhaps then you would be able to quit work and spend time relaxing with family. Maybe travel more. Finally you can see the world. If you have still any question, ask them in comments. The link to the social networks where you can find me are also below this video. Link for the getting bonus in the description. Trade, earn the big money and have a good luck.